Hi guys, welcome to Trends Bloggers. Today I'm talking about the tan pack, the skincare routine. I'll tell you some DIYs, at home how to remove your tan. So completely you watch my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Guys, here you can see, her skin it's fully tanned. So I am using the complete, foaming cleanse. So it actually, does a very good work. It gives you deep cleansing, and after that I have used my own trends homemade tan removal pack, which I have already prepared and kept. So this gives you very good result. It doesn't have any chemical, but it's herbs. So herbal item will give you not the immediate result, but yes, it's safe for your skin, and you need to follow this process for at least 15 days once, I suggest. And let me give you some home remedy for your skin care. If you are a person who is in the sun for a long time and you don't have time to come to parlors, or yeah, this is a simple and easy DIY at home. Let me give you. You can use the first DIY. What I'll suggest you, use curd and gram flour. So it's actually mix with the curd nicely, beat it up, and it gently exfoliates and cools the skin. So keep it for 10 minutes and give slowly massage and remove. So you can see naturally it removes the tan and gives you soft and smooth. And another effective remedy I can suggest you is aloe vera gel. That is, you can take the fresh aloe vera gel or the market one, which one is available, you can take with a few drop of lemon juice in it. Okay, so if you're allergic to lemon juice, you can skip. And it actually, lemon juice contains vitamin C and citric acid, so you can probably use this. It helps to lighten the tan, your skin also. So another one I can suggest is tomato pulp. No, you can just take tomato pulp separately, mix it with honey, and you can keep it for 10 minutes and slowly give massage and remove this also removes your skin tan, and keep your skin moisture, because you are using honey, so it will keep your skin moisture. So other packs may give you little dryness, so as soon as you remove your pack, you can apply moisturizer. So apply this pack for 10 to 15 minutes and you can wash it gently, and do your sunscreen. See, sunscreen is very very important if you are the person for a long time staying in the sun. So use sunscreen which has zinc oxide in it. So it is a natural thing, so you can use that. And this is my tips, guys, today's. If you like my video, share and subscribe to your my channel, and share to your friends as well. Thank you. Bye bye.